welcome to Daddy Jack's Cooking with the Blues. So, we're making grits and cheddar cheese grits. But if Paul doesn't mind, I'm going to do a little jalapeno in there. You don't mind? Okay.
No, I don't.
You know, my friend Kevin Rathman, he cooked me one of probably the most memorable meals down in Dallas back in the day. He was the first one I heard cheddar cheese and jalapeno grits in a place called Baby Ruth's. Now he's got 3 or 4 restaurants down in Atlanta called Rathman's Steakhouse, the Grog Bar. I don't know if he's got other things going, so I'm going to show you how I cut this jalapeno. Just cut right down. I don't want kind of small. I want small, kind of small pieces. Hey, Kaylee. What's up, Caius? So anyway, I've got some chicken stock going. Hi, Caius. Want to come back? Come on back. So, goes right in there, the grits. Then I put a little salt and pepper. Come on in.
Oh. Hey.
This is Kaylee and Caius, Corey's son and wife.
Hello.
Yeah. You just come from the beach?
Just come from the beach.
Oh, it's beautiful?
Yeah, absolutely. You see him cooking? What's he cooking?
So we're making cheddar cheese grits.
Ooh.
So put some cream in there. Of course, you gotta put some butter. That's right.
A little bit.
Hey.
Makes the cheddar. Yeah.
Hey.
Cream and butter always good.
Go big or stay home.
That's right.
Okay, so I studied a little bit of some of the videos, you know, online that were up for grits, and Chef Joe Randall down in South Carolina. Great chef, great videos he's got up. That's what he said. Just go stir it in nice and slow, so you don't get the lumps. These are Quaker Oats grits. White grits. I know they make yellow grits.
Yep.
Want to see how it's thickening up right in here? So now I'm going to go with a spoon. I always end up putting too much grits. They get thick. I think you're going to let them go for about 10 minutes. Sometimes I have to add more, bingo. Give me a ladle. See, when they start popping, you gotta be careful, like tomato sauce.
It'll pop up after.
See that? When it starts popping.
You gotta be careful with that.
You got burned by tomato sauce popping, right?
Yes, I did.
All over the kitchen stove. A little bit of water just to thin it out. Okay, in goes the cheddar. I'm going to save a piece on the side. Cheddar. I got to use my American cheese. Sorry. I'm just going to lay that on the top. Melt it right in. And some Parmigiani. I like to call it Parmigiani. A little more water because, you know, you don't don't want brick grits. See, what I've never made was I just made these. Paula came in one night.
Yep.
Remember?
I did. That was.
And she asked me if I could do it because I think I talked about doing it.
Yep.
Some shrimp and grits. A Friday night or something.
Yeah, it was awesome.
Paula said, "Any chance you can make some?" Yeah, why not? I had them in the house, and so we made them that night. I think I served like 7 or 8 orders.
It was fantastic that night.
This is what we're gonna do tonight. We're gonna make some shrimp and grits for Paula.
Thank you.
Yep. I have been doing it for my church. They asked me if I could, Jack Mabry from the Mabry Temple. It was his birthday on the 29th of July, and it was his 29 years of service. So they asked me if I'd make fried catfish and grits. I said, wow. So I had to call my friend down in Dallas, David Leaks, who taught me all about soul food and Cajun. He's from Louisiana, but a great, fantastic, like, soul food chef, and he gave me the recipe for the catfish. I need just a little bit more. Just put it on maybe one more ladle of water, but the seasoning's good. So, how do they look?
Fantastic.
One thing we're missing. What do you think?
Little garlic?
You don't know me well enough.
No.
He needs some heat.
No?
That too.
Green onions.
Oh, the green onions. Well, I think too, but yeah.
All right. So what I'll do is, I'll put that just on a real slow fire in the back. Real low fire. Just barely to simmer them off. And we'll be right back. So those are our grits. Just a little bit on the thicker side that I want. Let's see. I'm gonna add just a little bit more heavy grit instead of water. And a little bit more butter. Okay?
It's not on the diet plan, man.
No,
All right.
don't eat it all on the plate now.
No, can't. You got to. It's a sin to leave it there.
That's
Come
true.
on.
So our mother always told us.
Always clean your plate.
Okay, that's it. Cheddar jalapeno grits with Whittles fresh corn. Okay? Want to see it at a plate? Let's look out. We'll garnish it up properly.
All right, let you get that.
I got it.
See, I grew up on polenta.
Okay. Polenta?
Polenta. I grew up on that. That risotto was my staple.
So I'm going to put that under the broiler. That's it.
That's all.
The Daddy Jack's going with the blues. Peace.